Smart Asset Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Smart Asset does not offer its own robo-advisor investment service. Instead, it provides financial tools, calculator, and educational content to help individuals make informed financial decisions. One of its key offerings is the Smart Advisor platform, which connects users with professional financial advisors based on their specific needs and preference. And here are the key features about this platform: tools for the retirement planning, mortgage and calculations, and tax estimation, which is financial calculators, and also educational content. So they provide articles and guide on various financial topics to enhance financial literacy, and also smart advisor matching, a platform that match users with fiduciary financial advisor for personalized advice. And here are the pros and cons about the platform. So talking about the pros, they offer a wide range of calculators and resources for diverse financial planning needs, and also facilitate connection with vetted financial advisors, simplifying the search process. And here's the downside: no proprietary robo advisor service, so does not provide an automated investment management service directly. And here the final conclusion about this platform: Smart Asset is a valuable resource for financial planning tools and connecting with human advisors. This seeking automated investment management, which is a robo advisor service, will need to explore other platforms.